સાથે સોનાટા સોफ्टवेयरના CFO जगन्नाथन चक्रवर्ती। सर गुड मॉर्निंग, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका CNBC बाजार पर। एंड सबसे पहले तो ऑब्वियसली चैलेंजिंग एटमॉस्फेयर में भी आपने अच्छे नंबर्स, अच्छा मोमेंटम जो है वो कैप्चर करके रखा, कंटिन्यू किया, ऐसा हमें बोलना चाहिए। तो उसके साथ ही चर्चा की शुरुआत करते हैं। कैसे देखे आपने इस नंबर्स को, और उसके बाद हम डिटेल में चर्चा की शुरुआत करें सर।
Yeah. Thanks for this opportunity for sharing our performance. We have been mentioning about that our pipeline and order book has been very stable and solid there. We have from this quarter we have started giving out our order book, which is like 1.2 times of our quarterly revenue. This is after normalizing the large deals. We have not considered the full value of large deals, but still the order book is very strong for us. The momentum is strong for us in all other verticals except for high tech. High tech is a little soft for the industry, for everyone, and it is very soft for us also. We expect that this will continue for the next 2 or 3 quarters that way. We have a strong momentum in the in revenue, which will continue to be the case, except for high tech. High tech softness can impact the growth in the coming quarters for at least for a couple of quarters. The otherwise the we have also identified that couple of opportunities. One is Gen AI, where and other one is Microsoft Fabric. Both of these places we have invested. We have announced that 1.6% of our EBITDA we are investing in this. We had three large deals, but all the three are going on in the transition stage. So we have this transition stage. The cost will be at slightly at a larger level compared to the what is the full revenue flow that can happen. So that has resulted in 1.5% impact on EBITDA. Otherwise, things are otherwise going on well for us. We will continue to have a solid performance in the coming quarters, which is industry leading, the top 25 percentage
Yes.
levels of performance.
Definitely, sir. So once we have had a word with your peers, they are talking about some sort of slowdown in the orders, or else we could say that the order completion is a little bit slow, or we could say the deal signing is a little bit slow. You have signed two large deals, and the number of momentum of the deals is also good. We would like to understand is that what is your clientele, and what kind of atmosphere are you sensing right now currently?
So we have been doing well on signing this contract. The efforts of last 6 months actually has helped us to continue to win the deals now. However, there is a softness in a couple of places, particularly the high tech vertical. There is a little bit of softness. There is some delays in the order signing are happening. Otherwise, other places, it's not much of a worry for us, not much of a worry. Yeah, if you ask me, is there a delay? There is a slight impact in few other verticals, but not directly impacting, not substantially impacting us. There are a couple of areas where the kind of a softness is there, particularly high tech is soft, very quite soft, and so the impact of this is not much felt in other areas, but there is a mild softness also is there. So, however, we are very confident that we will continue to win the deals and we will be continue to execute the deals in the right way.
Okay. Again, comparing to the peers, they have said that Europe is a problem, but you have signed a very good deal at Europe this quarter, in this quarter. And again, I would like to understand is it one-off, or there are more such deals in the pipeline for Europe region?
Yeah. The large deals will, it's not going to be, no, we are continuing to focus on large deals. We are very confident of winning more large deals. However, I will not say that every quarter this will be the same kind of a trend, because anyway, large deal is large deal. So you will have some gap between one deal and
Yes.
another deal is possible always. However, we are not,
Yes.
apart from high tech, other verticals, we are okay. The pipelines is okay, and although there is a mild softness is definitely sitting in, we are quite confident that we will be able to close more and more deals in the coming days. This is not going to be that same repetition of large deals may not be happening for every quarter. I just want to set the expectation right, so that no large deals every quarter is going to be a little. It may take some time. We may be able to win. We may get one. Overall for the year, we are very confident of it. This quarterly thing is actually little dicey because we know if it spills over in the first week of subsequent quarters, also it is subsequent quarter, right? So that's a kind of a quarterly thing. We may not be able to comment about it, but definitely other than high tech, the rest of the areas are reasonably okay for us.
Okay, definitely. Also, would like to understand is that how is the domestic product business, and we have seen that the momentum is interesting. I would like to understand is that is there any continuability, any sustainability in this momentum?
Momentum is really good for the last 2 years. Very good.
Yes.
There can be some moderation in this momentum also because it has been growing like 30-40% for last 2 to 3 years now. So there can be some moderation in that. But however, the momentum is not bad. The momentum is reasonably good in this market also. And India market, we are very confident of doing well in this market. We are doing well actually. So, but if you ask me whether it will be the same 30% or 40%, there can be some moderation coming in this next couple of quarters.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for connecting with us and sharing all the information.
Thank you. Thank you.